Hey everyone, today I'll show you exactly how to open a Vercel project in VE0 in just a couple of minutes. Quick note, you'll need your Vercel project connected to a GitHub repository first, since VE0 can only import from GitHub, not directly from Vercel. Start by going to ve0.app. At the bottom of the chat interface, you'll see a plus icon in the prompt bar. Click on that. A menu pops up with a few options. Click on Import from GitHub. This brings up a modal where you can browse or search for the repository that your Vercel project is connected to. Find the one you want and click to select it. If you don't see your repository in the list, you might need to adjust your GitHub app permissions. Head to your GitHub settings, go to Applications, and make sure the Vercel GitHub app has access to the repository you're trying to import. Once you've selected the repository, VED0 checks if it's already linked to a Vercel project. If it is, you'll see a modal asking whether you want to connect to the existing Vercel project or create a new one. Choose Connect to Existing Vercel Project, and if there are multiple projects linked to that repository, pick the one you want from the list. This is important because connecting to the existing project automatically pulls in all your environment variables. Now VE0 pulls the repository code and sets up a preview environment. You'll see it loading while it works. Once it's done, a live preview of your project appears in the preview pane, and if you switch to the Code tab, you'll see all your imported files. The preview runs your actual dev server using Vercel Sandbox, so it behaves exactly like running npm run dev on your machine. A couple of things to know. VAD0 automatically creates a new branch for your work, something like VAD0/main-abc123. It never pushes directly to main, so your production code stays safe. When you're ready to merge your changes, you can publish them back to GitHub as a pull request. Also, the preview environment includes all the environment variables from your connected Vercel project, so if your app relies on API keys or secrets, they're already there. You can view and edit all your files in the Code tab, and use the Console tab to see server requests and responses while you're testing. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.